Hi everyone, it's Mel from Sweeney Hire and I'm just at a client's house. Today we're going to be showing you how to take off our brand new Manitou 1050 RT off our Ive Williams plant trailers. So it's pretty straightforward. There is, I'm pretty sure, 4 straps on this one, points to tie down. So I will try and give you an in-cab look at the controls of this one as well. Alright, let's get to it. Straps on this one. Sometimes they can be a bit tight. We're actually going to probably change how we strap these because it catches the fuel bowser. Oh, it's just on the one side. Okay, so make sure when you're strapping that you can come here, that it goes in this way, like that, and not this way. So it goes this way, and then you want to fuel it up on your way home because the fuel bowser or the fuel tank is in here, which is weird, but you'll stop yourself. Whereas, as you can see with this one, because it's done on that side, you can open and close it without issue and then get in to top it up with fuel. One. I'll take off the ramps as well. I'm just going to have to lift up the boom because the boom has dropped. That can happen. Sure I'm maintaining my 3 points of contact. Just loosen it a bit more. I'm just being mindful because this is a short strap and I don't want the strap to come out. So you've got a mirror, this is your key up here, roll bar, seat belt is on the opposite side. This is only my second time driving this machine, so bear with me. What's unusual is it has a handbrake, even though it's Posi track, your speed, these are your light settings, your fast track down here, and then this one is your tracks, so forward, back, left, right. This one is your boom and bucket, so it'll be up, down, in, out. On. Handbrake off, and then we'll start to go back with this one. So I'll just give it back to Tessa. trailer. And be sure to check out our other videos on basic controls, how to remove the bucket and all of that, which will be coming out over the next few weeks. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to smash that subscribe button.